Hello, guys. My name is Kayla. I work Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and those are the times you guys can call me or email me, and I'll just be like your online course assistant.
All right, so this is what we got going on. All the links are below. And if you want to be someone who will be rich in the future, let's define future, the next 24 months. And what we've done is put together a foundational course. This is something that I personally went through. When I was living in the boarding house, I had to learn how to save money. And I went out and got a job, a part time job, and I took all that money and put it in my savings account. So I'm going to walk you through that whole process. There's a lot of people who want to be business owners, but they're not prepared to be business owners. Now, if you don't want this program, this is a beginner's program, this is for anyone. What you can do is email my assistant Kayla and we can talk about it, because the new course, well, the old course, the King program, is now 25,000. But if you can give us a persuasive argument why you would be a good fit for it, it will be 10,000 for you to get in. All right, so let's talk about this course. I see a lot of people talking about inflation, talking about the price of eggs, talking about all of this stuff, how expensive it is. There's literally a group of people who are waiting for the economy to crash so they can afford stuff at a cheap price. Let me explain something to you. There's a show at the market this week. I'm going to go down there and get some footage. If the economy was bad, why are these thousands and thousands of business owners buying inventory for their stores? The economy isn't bad. Your economy may be bad because you don't have skill sets, you don't have savings, you don't have money. That's why your economy is bad. Now, this is a beginning program. So the beginning phase is going to take you 3 to 6 months. You actually have to do this. If you don't do it, you will not get the benefits of the course. Now, this is the whole process. You go through the beginning phase, and then I would say month 4, 5, 6, we would set up a holding company and we would set up an operating company for you. This is part of the course. Now, after we get in that, we get into business development stuff. We start talking about sales and business. And this is a big thing that people should be aware of. There's a lot of people who say you should get into trucking or you should get into this. I don't really have that mindset. I think that you should get into business that's comfortable for you, that deals with your skill sets, your proclivities. Now, I'm back into reselling, and I've got maybe 15 years of reselling experience. So I feel that I'm back to more normal stuff. And if you look at the profile, you can see some stuff that I bought today from the mart. So essentially, this program is for people who want to be rich, once again, in the next 24 months. When I say rich, what I'm talking about rich, I'm talking about getting to $25,000 to $50,000 per month in revenue. Now, this is something that you can do if you're willing to do the work. Let's talk about the work. When I was in that boarding house, I was working 7 days a week for about 2 years. Now, there are many people who feel that working 7 days a week is too much, you're going to burn out. I'm here to tell you that if you don't want to do this, this is not the course for you, because it's going to push you. This course is going to be hard. It's not going to be easy. But I can tell you that you make it through this course, you will have the life that you want to have. Like, I make these things and I say stuff like, I take my girlfriend out and we go out 4 or 5 times a week. I'm spending like $500-600 a week just eating out during this inflationary period, during this period when the price of eggs is crazy and all this other stuff. How can I do that? Because I have money. Why do I have money? Because I built a business. Why did I build a business? So I can get money. So if you want to be a person that doesn't worry about inflation, doesn't worry about the price of eggs, doesn't worry about this stuff, this is the course for you. And this is one of the things that we could do. Because first off, the first phase is the preparatory phase. This is something you must go through. I'm going to say something that may come across a little dismissive, but if you're the average person in America, your money habits are fucked up. Now, what do I mean by that? Number one, you don't have a savings account. Number two, you don't manage your money correctly. Number three, you just don't handle money correctly. And your checking account is like a launch pad. Money comes in, it flies out because you have no plan, no organization. This preparatory phase will change all of that. This preparatory phase will set you up to be massively financially successful, because we're going to take you through certain steps and procedures. This is something that I personally went through. And this is the reason that, let's see, I don't know. I don't even, I don't even look at recession, not recession, because let me kind of go back. If you remember 2008, 2009, 2010, that was the housing recession when real estate was crazy. My storage auction business, 2006, 7, 8, we made more money and the economy was bad. So I made millions of dollars in a bad economy because I had the right business. So one of the things we're going to teach you is how to pick the right business for you. Once again, there's a lot of noise on the internet that you should get into trucking or you should get into real estate, and that may not be the thing. That may not be the thing that you need to do. So, for those of you who really, really, really want to change your financial mindset and go ahead and develop a new financial attitude, this course is for you. Now, I will have a lot of people who will, I want to be part of the Kingdom program. And I already said that you got to send an email to my assistant and try to convince us that you can get in. And once again, it will be $10,000. I don't know if I'm going to do wires. I may take a credit card. I may take a credit card to see what happens. But if I start getting like crazy chargebacks, I'm going to actually demand that you send a wire. And a wire is you send money from your bank account to my bank account, and you can't do a chargeback because you get people who want to who want to really be successful, but when they start looking at the things that are required, this is when things get a little different. This course will be hard. It will not be easy. It will be hard. This is why I have an assistant. This is someone to help you. And also, let's talk about talking to me. You will not talk to me unless you are a paid student. At the moment, I've got maybe 150 emails in my inbox that people who want to get on they want to talk, they want to get on the phone, they want to have a conversation. But notice one thing is missing. There's no remuneration for me. There's no payment. They just want to waste my time by talking. And let me go ahead and say this. If you just want to talk to me, you have no money, you have no plan, let me tell you what's going to happen. After we have a conversation, your life will remain the same. And this is why I've gotten away from this. I'm not talking to, if you're not a paid student, on Sunday, I had a conversation with my students. And it was a very candid conversation. But if you're not a student, you're not talking to me. We're not talking. We're not hopping online. If you leave a really good comment, I'll respond to your comment. I'll do that. But actually getting on the phone, having a conversation with me, that's not happening. Why that's not happening? For years and years and years, I gave away free courses. I got on the phone. I talked to people. And I noticed something real funny that happened. These people's lives did not change. I actually gave free courses away. I got on the phone. I got lectures. I'll tell you a story of my first digital product. Making money with A to Z with self-storage unit auctions. I got on the phone with this guy for 3 hours. 3 hours. The book was $19.99. After being on the phone with this gentleman for 3 hours, he didn't buy the book. After being on the phone for 3 hours. What I've learned is the people who don't have money, who don't want to spend, they don't have an agenda, they don't have a plan, and they don't really want to do anything in life. And all they will do is just waste your time. Because you could talk to them, you can give them a free course. I have empirical data. I gave away free courses, and 95% of the people who got those free courses did not open them, did not do them. Now, let's go back to the 5% of the people who actually took the courses and did it. Let's look at the math of that. So if I was to go ahead and give out free courses and help someone, I have a 95% chance of you not opening the course, not doing the work, and I have maybe 5% of the people who will. The math is just massively against me for doing this. And literally, I had someone that made a video was talking about, hey, why don't you give us the course for free, and then when we start making money, we'll pay you. Once again, in that video, I covered that. If I gave you the course for free, and I'm going to use this analogy, it would be like this woman. You meet this woman, she's super bad, and she lets you have sex the first night. What do? You automatically downgrade her. You put her in the whole category. She ain't nobody. She's not worth being a fight because she gave me the pussy that easy and that quick. She can't be worth having. That's what you would do to me. You would downgrade me because I'm trying to help you. For years and years and years, I tried to help people. And all I got was a bad email list, a lot of hate, and people coming for me in crazy ways. So let's kind of get back to the course. Do you want to be rich? Now, when I say $25 to $50,000, that doesn't put you on the category of being truly rich. Truly rich starts at 15 million net worth. That's where it starts. But if you were making $25 to $30,000 a month, your whole life would change. Where you live would change. What you drive would change. And more importantly, if you're married and you have children, their lives will change. You know, when you live to an upscale neighborhood, the friends that your children meet will be with them for life. I want you to think, having your children meet people, the kids of doctors, attorneys, CEOs, they're going to build a totally different peer group. And these kids, they don't act like normal kids. One of my dear friends he works at a private school. These kids are investing in the stock market while they're in high school. It's a different crowd. It's a different group of people. So if you want your kids to have that type of exposure, and then you go ahead, like I said, 24 months to get you ready, get you inside this track. Now, I get a lot of people who will push back, and a lot of people will want to talk to me. They will like, I've had this happen before when I had my assistant Valencia, and people's like, I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to Glendon. That ain't happening this time. You will talk to Kayla, and if you don't want to talk to Kayla, you will talk to no one. So, I got a question for you. Do you really, really want to be wealthy? Do you want to have the money to live life on your terms? Do you want to actually put yourself in a position where your next car that you buy, you could pay cash? Do you want to put yourself in a position where if you get yourself a house, you can put half down or maybe even pay all for the house outright? Do you want to be in that position? I'm looking for people who really, really want to change their lives. I'm not looking for lazy people. I'm not looking for people who are just interested in the next hustle. I'm going to say something that's going to be extremely dismissive. My personal opinion, the majority of people on YouTube, TikTok, and these other things who are talking about starting businesses are full of shit. They've never started a business, and all they can do is glam you up and play these little games with you. If you really, really want to start a business, now this is something that makes me very different from most of these people online. I have an office, I have an employee, and I have multiple businesses. Multiple businesses. So, who do you want to listen to? You want to listen to someone that's just playing? I'll tell you a story, and this really, really pissed me off. It's this woman. Her name is your financial BBF. This was a woman that worked on Wall Street, has no business experience, and because she had the look and she glammed it up, she did very well online, even though she had no experience. Because you could become what I call an internet personality and make a lot of money. A lot of money. And that's one of the courses I'll do. It's called the Money Mindset. But these people will not teach you how to start a business. They will not teach you how to do anything. And then this kind of comes in this whole thing where people will like, I want to be like them. The odds of you being a successful, money paid internet personality are so slim. Do you know that 10% of YouTubers make 90% of the YouTube money? There are people who've been doing YouTube for years and they don't make any money. So, once again, do you want to have a real business? Do you want to have a real office? You want to have employees? And let's talk about employees. Everyone is scared about hiring employees. This brand new business, I had what we call the bad employee. She did not listen. She was argumentative. She had very much a ghetto attitude. She actually texted me today cussing me out. Now, here's the thing. If you want something in life, is that the appropriate way to get what you want out of life, by cussing someone out? No, it's not. And once again, I started this business and she had to go and she went, and we're going to keep on. So many of you are so afraid of hiring someone because you'll go through these things. Because, people will pretend to be one thing, but you actually hire them, you'll see who they really are. Once again, this is the mental toughness, and this is why you got to go through the preparatory phase. This is why you must mentally prepare yourself, because after you go through this phase, you become mentally tough and all this other stuff. So for those of you who want to be in the program, it's $1,500 this week. Next week it goes up to $2,500, and it will stay at $2,500 the rest of the month. And then after that, it'll probably go up to $3,500. Why am I charging so much? When I charge a lot of money, the people take the program very, very seriously when I give stuff away for free, when I try to help people out. This is where I get folks who really don't care, who really not going to do anything. So if you want to be rich, being able to pay cash for your next car, be able to put down a lot of money for your house, be able to change the circumstances of your wife and children, this is the course for you. Now, once again, this is my third time. A lot of you will want to get in the King program, and the King program is significantly more expensive. Why is that? I'm going to tell you why. The King program, within a year, can have you making $1 million. So you pay $25,000 for a program that has you making $1 million in a year. That's really, really cheap. It's really, really cheap. So that's why the prices went up, because of what it will do for you. And it's a whole different group of people in that program. I have people who are millionaires. I have people who have taken over and who do things a certain different way. So once again, if you want to be trained on how to be a successful business owner, regardless of the business, this is the program for you. The link's below. And once again, you can speak to my assistant if you have any questions or anything. And at some point, probably not this week, but next week, I will have her taking sales calls, because the price will go up to $2,500 on Friday. And right now, you have a payment plan. Get in now. If you don't get in now, the price goes up to $2,500 and the payment plan goes up on Friday. So if you have any questions, let my assistant know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.